Here are the 5 best cribs, counting down to the one I'd actually buy. But the wrong crib turns bedtime into knuckle-scraping rail drops, mattress second-guessing, and a dresser you suddenly can't open. The real decision isn't nursery style, it's room footprint, mattress fit, and daily setup. Measure the wall first, then check mattress confidence and assembly pain, because tired parents notice friction fast. Let's move. Number 5. Storkcraft Beckett 3-in-1. I'd consider this only if reach and height adjustment matter more than a perfect mattress match. Its listed footprint is 53.5 inches by 29.5 inches, so it's a standard crib that won't sprawl across a small nursery wall. The standout is adjustability, with a 9.0 score that makes it friendlier for petite parents handling frequent mattress changes. But that's the deal you accept, because Mattress Fit drops to 5.0 and EcoHealth lands at 4.0. So I wouldn't make this your default registry pick. Skip it if you're still choosing a mattress, or if you want the crib and mattress decision to feel boringly obvious. Number 4. Babyletto Lolly 3-in-1. Want the clean nursery look without making the crib the loudest object in the room? I'd put the Lolly here for parents who care about simple design and a tidy footprint. It takes 53.5 inches by 29.8 inches, which is easy to plan around beside a dresser or glider. The proof point is Mattress Fit, because its 9.0 score is strong enough to keep it in this countdown. But the trade-off is patience and budget, since this one is expensive and time-consuming to assemble. Skip it if you're building furniture after work, under a deadline, or trying to keep the nursery spin tight. Number 3. Babyletto Hudson 3-in-1. This is the more serious Babyletto pick, and I'd choose it over the Lolly if longevity matters more than weekend convenience. Its 53.5 inch by 29.5 inch footprint is compact enough for normal nursery layouts, while still feeling like a real long-use crib. The strongest reason it ranks here is Mattress Fit, with a 9.0 score that beats the cheaper compromises lower down. Now the trade-off is the build, because it's expensive and harder to assemble than I'd want for a last-minute setup. Skip it if you need the easiest box-to-nursery path, or if budget is already getting squeezed. Number 2. Carters by DaVinci Colby 4-in-1. If you're trying to buy once and keep the setup sane, this is the value pick I'd shortlist first. It has a 55.6 inch by 29.6 inch footprint, so check your wall carefully if the room is tight. Its best argument is daily friction, because mattress fit and ease of assembly both land at 9.0. That means fewer reasons to regret the choice before the crib is even in place. But the adjustability score is only 5.9, and there's no toddler rail included. Skip it if a broad height range or bundled conversion parts are must-haves for your plan. Number 1. Storkcraft Equinox 3-in-1. This is the crib I'd actually buy for most parents who want flexibility without turning the nursery into a furniture puzzle. It's minimalist, but not tiny, with a 58 inch by 29.5 inch footprint you should measure before committing. The reason it wins is balance. Mattress Fit hits 9.0, and adjustability is strong at 8.3. So you're getting the 2 crib headaches I care about most handled better than the rest here. The trade-off is that assembly and EcoHealth both sit at 7.0, so it's not a clean sweep. Skip it if your rule is no crib without the manual and recall check in hand. Here's the clean split. Beckett is for petite parent adjustability. Lolly is the simple design pick. Hudson is the sturdier feeling longevity choice. Colby is the value move with easier assembly. Equinox is the all-around crib I'd start with, unless your documentation standards are stricter than this shortlist supports. Before buying, measure the crib wall, dresser clearance, and doorway path. Confirm your exact mattress choice, check what conversion parts are included, and read the manual before assembly. Prices and included rails change, so check before you buy. For most nurseries, I'd start with the Equinox. Pick Colby for value, Hudson for longer use confidence, Lolly for simple style, and Beckett only for reach-first adjustability. Links are in the description.